Today we're making lentil soup. You can and should change this to your taste. You need 75-gram butter or margarine, 1 onion, 1 or 2 potatoes, this is optional, 150 grams lentils, 2 tomatoes or tomato paste or cooked tomatoes like I have here, salt and any other spices you'd like. Melt the butter and chop the onions. Fry those until they get kind of soft and add your small chopped tomatoes, tomato paste or cooked in tomatoes. When it starts to cook, add the lentils into the soup. Be careful not to close the pot as the lentils love to overflow and you wouldn't want to have that. After a few minutes of boiling, you can add potatoes into the soup. My mom always used to make them with potatoes, call it a German twist to the soup. Don't forget to add your salt and any other spices. I like to add other stuff individually as some like it spicier, some less. Let this boil for approximately 20 minutes, but keep checking as it might get sticky on the bottom of the pot. When you see that the lentils have softened, turn the stove off. Okay, this is optional too, but it makes the whole soup really creamy. Get a blender and blend the hell out of it. The potatoes at this point are of course super soft. Then you can enjoy your lentil soup with some flaked peppers or dried mint. If you don't like those options, you should taste it with lemon. The taste of the lentil soup really gets out when you add some lemon juice. Enjoy!
All the information for this recipe is in the description below, along with different types of measurements and other information. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like and subscribe.